So let's go back to my favorite IDE of choice, Visual Studio Code. So that top section that you see on the screen right now, which is in the same file that we used before, essentially sets the initial state. So it talks about what should Akka Serverless do if it gets a request for an entity that it doesn't know about. The next thing is adding command handlers. So how should Akka Serverless respond to messages coming in? And in this case, we're tying the method sayHello that we define in the valueentity.proto file to the JavaScript function sayHelloWorld. And that's actually the next piece of logic that we need to write. And in this case, as you can see, it takes three parameters: a request, a current, and a context. The request is essentially the request that we get from the API in JSON format. The current is the current state of the entity, and context is the Akka Serverless context object. The first thing that we do is we update the state of the entity using the updateState method of the context object, and ultimately we return a message in simple JSON format. And that really is all there is to it, to writing business logic for Akka Serverless.